What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the quarterly earnings report that Facebook just announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Facebook stock just reported earnings after the market close, and they absolutely killed it, reporting in their press release year-over-year growth in both their total revenue and their net income, with total revenue coming in at just over $29 billion, up 56% year-over-year, and net income of $10.3 billion, an increase of over 100%, beating analyst expectations on both revenue and earnings per share. Not only was Facebook able to grow their financials, but they were also able to grow their user base as well, with daily active users coming in at 1.9 billion, which was a 7% year-over-year increase. But despite their excellent growth in both revenue and net income, Facebook did provide some less than promising forward-looking guidance, stating that they expect their year-over-year total revenue growth rates to decelerate in both the third and fourth quarter of this year. But despite reporting what I consider to be excellent earnings, we can see that at the time that I'm recording this video, Facebook is down in after-hours trading, currently trading at around $360 per share. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Facebook stock as an investment? For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I love Facebook as a long-term investment, going on record here on my channel that I believe that Facebook was some of the easiest money at one point in time to make in the stock market. And it currently makes up one of the largest positions in my overall stock market portfolio. But currently, I can't honestly say that I've been adding to my Facebook position, but rather continuing to hold the shares that I have for the long term. It's no secret that tech stocks ran up to ridiculous valuations during the peaks of the pandemic. And now we're seeing the consequence of that, with not only Facebook, but all of the other tech giants such as Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet reporting excellent earnings, but seeing their share price sell off despite that. And with the overall volatility that we've been seeing in the market right now as the pandemic continues to resurge with new variants, I believe that we'll continue to see this back and forth volatility in the market. But despite that, I personally have no intention of selling any of my Facebook shares. While we may not see a lot of share price appreciation here in the short term, I believe that Facebook continues to have a ton of long-term growth ahead of it. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. An investment in Facebook, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Facebook stock, make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. What are your thoughts about Facebook? Are you invested in Facebook stock? Are you thinking about investing in Facebook? What do you think about the earnings that they just announced? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.